This is the image creator. There will come a lot of extra things like you can create your own prompts. You can add the standard prompts, which are already very well, but for now you not see them. We go for just for an example. We're gonna use that plumbing. So let's go plumber in action, and then background always with swimming pool. It's a little bit joke, but okay. So you have some models, and if I think they have more models, I kind of put them in. But for now, well, you see snel, that means quickly or ultra fast. So let's say we're gonna do this. Let's see what we have. Goes very quickly, and there is the plumber. And probably he wish he had this job every day, right? So you can copy the URL, you can download, you also can say open image in, and here he is. So this is the AI image creator, which is very handy because also for Pinterest, it's easy to create images in a different way. For this, we use Ideogram the most. And if you have Open Router, you can have a look Open Router, so you're gonna see. It's not so many right now, but I gonna work on this because I also want this. I want to use it myself for Pinterest. I have some clients who have a Pinterest accounts, so it's pretty handy to have all this. So this is the image creator.